Hey you guys, so in today's video we will be doing my first Dreamlight Valley video. I am going to be doing decorating and a little bit of tips and tricks on this channel when it comes to Dreamlight Valley. I'm not going to do any quests because I feel like I don't want to be a spoiler, you know? So today we're going to be doing the one that came to my mind first, which is MOANA'S Cozy Corner. I just wanted to do something natural and cozy on the beach, by the cave on Dazzle Beach. So that is what we're going to be doing today, and just give me some slack, like cut me some slack because of the fact that I'm used to decorating on Animal Crossing, not on Dreamlight Valley on the Switch, so definitely gotta get used to the controls, so just bear with me, okay? Okay, first I'm going to be moving all of this stuff from that area off the area. I'm not gonna get rid of a lot, I'm gonna just move it because I'm gonna put it back, and then so I will be doing that and then I'll come back. Okay, so now we're going to place MOANA'S house, and I'm going to place it a little bit off of the rocks because I do want to put some trees back there. So I'm just trying to figure out a place for it and like placing and stuff, and then we're going to trim trees back there. So I've placed all the trees, and now I'm going to figure out like, you know, what I want around it. So basically I'm just gonna like play with things. I know that there's this picnic area place, still like a little date night session thing that I want to use. So I'm going to be trying to place that. I'm going to place like some other seating area on the other. Each side's going to have a seating area, then like a little cooking spot. There is going to be some big spaces missing because I'm not sure what to put there yet. I will have a valley tour whenever I get things like an area done. Like say I get Dazzle Beach done, I'll do a valley tour of that area, and then I'll probably do it by biome. So. And then I'll do like the whole valley if I get the whole valley done. But who is excited for this update? I'm so excited. I'm a Lion King stan, so I'm definitely excited that they're like including more Lion King. Scar is my absolute favorite. Cannot wait to decorate his little elephant graveyard area. But let me know what area I should do next because this was so satisfying to do. But yeah. So I'm just going to, like, you'll see me like walk to make sure I can get to the mining spots and stuff, but I'm just gonna play some music so you guys can watch me speed build. Okay, so this is it finished. Again, I said that there's gonna be some areas that are like kind of blank, but this is the, like, you know, the area so far. I am obsessed with this. It looks so good. I love that path gradient is like fading into the beach. I was so scared about how that was gonna look. Dreamlight Valley needs to definitely upgrade their paths, but that'll come soon, hopefully, because they do pretty much listen to our opinions, honestly. So yeah, but if you want to see more stuff like Dreamlight Valley content, please let me know what I should do next. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.